Hello dear student, I am Munagar Vimal. In standard ninth and in mathematics, we are going to learn chapter number 2 polynomials. And here it is part number 13. In part number 12, we have studied some algebraic identities 1 to 5. Now, uh, those identities was related to quadratic polynomial. In this chapter, lecture, that is we are going to study topic that is algebraic identities 6 to 8. Here these identities are given in the form quadratic polynomial. So we remember these three identities of related to quadratic polynomial, and also we use this identity to solve such some type of examples and some type of products of numbers that we can easily multiply or find any mathematical algorithm directly. So now let we understand or we study algebraic identities 6 to 8. Here given algebraic identities 6 to 8. Let this identity we have to remember, and we with help of this identity we can solve some type of examples. So let we understand this identity as given here. First identity, identity number 6 is given as in bracket x plus y cube, x plus y all cube. So we can expand this form is equal to x cube, second term y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So we can expand identity number 6, that is x plus y all cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into in bracket x plus y. So here you can see that 3xy and in bracket xy x plus y, we can multiply these both identities. So x cube plus we multiplied this first term with this bracket, so we get 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Now about identity number 7, that is in bracket x minus y cube, x minus y cube. So we can expand this identity or this cube, that is first term x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into in bracket x minus y. So again we can see here this product we can find is its simple form. So x cube we multiplied minus 3xy with x, that is minus 3x square y minus 3xy into minus y minus y minus will be plus 3xy square, and at last we put minus y cube. So we remember these identities, identity number 6 and identity number 7. Now identity number 8. Identity 8 is given as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. If the any algebraic expression given as in the form, then we can factorize this expression in the form is equal to in bracket x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and in bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Remember that in part number 12, there were given quadratic identities, that is x plus y plus z all square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 3x plus 2yz plus 2zx. And here you can see that it is in some part it is equal to this identity, but remember, don't try to mix these both identities. Okay, so here if cubic polynomial, then we can factorize this in x plus y plus z into in bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So, and we also we remember two identities. Okay, extra two identities that we have to remember. First one is x cube plus y cube. If given any form in such type of expression x cube plus y cube, then you can directly factorize this polynomial with help of identity, that is, if given x cube plus y cube, then x plus y in bracket x plus y into in bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Remember, quadratic polynomial, if x plus y all square is given by x square plus 2xy plus y square, but in this cubic identity, here given second bracket as x square minus not 2xy but xy plus y square. So if given plus sign between two terms, then we put first plus sign and in other bracket we put first minus sign. Okay, now about second one, x cube minus y cube, then we put this expression in the form, or we factorize this expression, that is equal to x minus y in the bracket x square plus xy plus y square. So now we have five identities. Identity number 6, that is x plus y cube all cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and seventh one is x minus y cube as given here, eighth one is given as here, and two extra identities is given here, x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube. So let we with help of these identities we can solve some expression. Okay, so let we solve examples related to these identities. So here given example number 22, that is, write the following cubes in the expanded form. Okay, we given here some cubic cubes, and we have to expand these in the form with help of identity that we have already studied. So now solution of this example. First example, that is 3a plus 4b all cube. So solution of this example, let we have identity, we have similar identity with related to this x plus y cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Here we can write x as a 3a and y as a 4b. So let we put these values in given identity, and we find and we expand this cube. So comparing both the identities, we get x is equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. Now let we put these values in given identity. So we get then 3a plus 4b cube is equal to, as we know, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So 3a cube plus 4b cube plus 3 into 3a into 4b into in the bracket 3a plus 4b. Now we multiply this product. So 3a cube, that is 27a cube, 4b cube, that is 64b cube, 3 into 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, and a into b, and 3a plus 4b. Now we multiplied 16ab in opening this, after opening this bracket. So 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108 a square b plus 144 ab square. So with help of this identity we can solve such type of example. Now other cube that we expanded, the second one is in bracket sp 5p minus 3q whole cube. Here given in bracket 5p minus 3q whole cube. Let comparing above expression with, as we have identity given as x minus y whole cube. So we get x is equal to 5p and y is equal to 3q. So let we put these values in identity, as we know that x minus y cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into minus x minus y. Let me put values of x and y in given brackets. So we get then in bracket 5p minus 3q whole cube is equal to 5p cube minus 3q cube minus 3 into 5p into 3q into 5p minus 3q. So cube of 5p is 125p cube, cube of 3q cube, that is 27 cube, minus 3 5s are 15 and 15 3s are 45 p and q, and into 5p minus 3q. Now we multiplied this product opening, with help of opening this product, this bracket is equal to 125p cube minus 27q cube minus 225p square cube, and minus minus will be plus, and 135p q square. So with help of these cubic algebraic identities we can find such type of factorization, or we can find such type of expanded form. Now example number 23. Evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. Here given first number 104 cube. Here given one number 104 cube. Now with help of identity, cubic identity, we solve this expression. Solution of this given expression. Now we can write 104 is equal to 100 plus 4. We can write 104 is equal to 100 plus 4, and given that 104 cube, that is we have to take cube of 100 plus 4. Now we can see that this product 100 plus 4 cube is similar to x plus y whole cube. Okay, so we put x as 100 and y as a 4. So we put these values in identity. So 100 plus 4 cube is equal to 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into in bracket 100 and 100 plus 4. Cube of 100, if you want to find cube of 100, similarly one cube is 1, and here given 2 zeros, then we put here given cube, then we put 3 times 2 zeros, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time, then we can find easily such type of cube of given in the form this. If last digit are 0, then you can put this, you can find cube of such type of number. 4, 64, 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 100, that is 1200 into 100 plus 4. Now we multiplied this product. Here given there 10 lakhs plus 64, 1200 into 100, that will be 1 lakh 20,000 plus 4,800. So now we take a sum of these all term and we get this answer as 100 plus 4 cube is here given. So we can find cube of any number with help of this identity. So 11 lakh 24,864 is the answer of given cube of 104 cube. With help we can use identity and we can find cube of any number. Now one more example. Here given second example, in bracket 999 cube, we want to find cube of 999. We can write 999 cube is equal to, if we minus 1 from 100, then we can find 999. So 999 cube is equal to, in bracket 1000 minus 1 cube, 1000 minus 1 cube. So as here given, you can compare this expression with identity number 7, that is x minus y cube. So let we put these values in that identity and we can find cube of 999. So cube of 999 is equal to, we can write in bracket 1000 minus 1 cube. 1000 x and y is 1. So 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into xy, that is 1000 into y, and x plus y, that is 1000 minus 1 cube of 1000, that I have said 1 cube of 1, that is 1, and here given cube. So we put these 3 zeros 3 times, 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. So this is the cube of 1000. Now about 1, 300, 3 into 100, that is 3000, sorry, 3 into 1000, that is 3000 into 1000 minus 1. Now we multiplied this product as given here, minus 1 minus 30 lakhs plus minus minus plus and 3000 into 1, that is 3000. Now after evaluating this, we can find the value of 999 cube as given here, as given here, that is 919 sorry 99 crore 70 lakhs 2,999. So easily with help of cubic identities you can find such type of numbers. Now about example number 24. Here given example number 24, factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Here you can see that this form is similar to identity number 6, that is x plus y all cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, as here you can see that. So we can write the above expression as 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy cube. Here x as 2x cube, y as we know that cube root of 27 is 3y cube. So here it is a and here it is b. So now we can use the identity, that is, if given a plus b all square all cube, sorry, is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 3 s square b plus 3 a b square. So here we can take a and b as a is a 2x and b is a 3y. So we can write 8x cube as 2x whole cube, 27y cube as 3y cube, plus we can write 36x square y as 3 into a and b, that is 2x square plus 3y square, as here given 3 into s square, that is 2x square, and b, that is 3y, and about 54xy square, that is we can write this in the form 3a as a x as a given here 2x and b given as 3y, then 3y square. So this is the form similar to identity number 6. So we can directly write this expression as 2x, that is a plus b cube, that is 2x plus 3y cube. So as we know that the cube of any number is equal to, we write a multiplication form of this number 3 times. So 2x plus 3y cube, we can write we multiplied this bracket 3 times, that is 2x plus 3y into 3x 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. So with help of this identity we can factorize, we have factorized given expression. Now about example number 25. It is also similar to given example. Here given that factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Remember that we have studied this identity. This expression is really similar to identity number 8, as you know. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, we can factorize that identity in the form is equal to x plus y plus z. In other bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So we factorize this expression in the form in the form of identity number 8. First we have to write this expression in the form. Now we can write above expression as 8x cube y cube 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here cube of 8x cube, that is 2x whole cube, y cube, that we can write y cube, 27z cube, that is we can write 3z cube, minus 3, we multiplied x, y and z, that is 2x into y into 3z. So this identity is this expression is related similar to identity that we know a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc. So we can write factorization form of this expression as a plus b plus c into in bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So we can consider a as a 2x, b as a y and c as a 3z. So we put these values in identity number 8 and we get the form as given here. We can write this expression as 2x cube plus y cube plus 3z whole cube minus 3 into 2x into y into 3z. and we can write this expression with help of identity number 8, that is a plus b plus c, that is 2x plus y plus 3z in bracket square of first term, square of second term, and square of third term minus multiplication of second and first and second, product of second and third, and product of third and first. And we simplify this form 2x plus y plus 3z into in bracket 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. So with help of these all identities, you can factorize or you can expand the given cubic or quadratic polynomial with help of these identities. So now at last about homework at your home. Given homework is in from the textbook exercise number 2.5. This given question number in exercise number 2.5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, and question number 10 are similar to these all examples. And if you don't understand or any example, then you can call me. Okay, so do your homework.